Hello everyone, my name is Angelo Zorrilla. Today I am going to tell you a story about a difficult day in my life. Last year I had a very difficult day because I had to work and study at the same time. Having worked for many hours, I was very tired, but I still had an important university assignment to finish. Arriving home late, I made some coffee and turned on my computer. Feeling very tired, I wanted to go to bed, but I knew I had to finish my assignment. I started working and tried to focus reading the ins- instruction carefully. I really realized that I still had a lot of work to do. After a few hours, I finally finished my assignment. Having checked my work, I uploaded it to the university platform. I felt very happy because I had finished everything on time. Going to bed that night, I thought about my routine and my time. Having learned from that experience, I decided to organize my time better. Since then, I have tried to plan my activities in advance. That difficulty taught me that good time management is very important when you have many things to do. That was my story. Thank you very much for listening. Have a nice day.